Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you a lawn tractor to stay away from. If you go to buy a used Craftsman lawn tractor made by AYP and you see a plastic transmission, just like this one over here, see it's all plastic, they are the worst transmissions ever. A lot of stuff breaks on them, then they start to work intermittently. And if you want to replace this transmission, guys, that transmission here in Canada will cost you $1,500. That's if you can get one. They're usually back ordered because Craftsman is out of business for the lawn tractors. But they are made by AYP or Husqvarna. That's basically who made these lawn tractors. And these transmissions, guys, they're not really serviceable. They're junk. I'm just going to say it the way it is. Stay away from this stuff. And for that matter, any lawn tractor that has a plastic transmission, just stay away from it. What you want is a metal transmission like this. So if you go to buy a new machine, make sure to look underneath to make sure the transmission is made of metal, not plastic. Anyway, that's my advice for today, guys. This transmission here, $1,500. Customer will not go for it, and I don't blame him. He might as well go buy another machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope the video has helped you, and hopefully I saved somebody from getting screwed by buying a lawn tractor with a junky plastic transmission. Have a good day, guys.